What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Barbie and I have been going solid for about 40 years. I'm not trying to put all my business out there, but as long as I can remember, Barbie has been there. We did take a little break in college, but then we were back together. It was glam, it was artsy, so in style. However, the last few years, we kind of hit a rough patch. The pixels. Why? Is that supposed to be the bedroom? And sometimes I just struggle with some of the color choices. But that new Barbie dream closet is all pink and giving me some classic Barbie vibes. And then I saw Barbie World at Walmart. What's Barbie World? It looks to me like play sets and items we've seen before, just in new colors. I'm seeing a lot of pink, which I'm okay with. It's Barbie's signature color. Sometimes in the past with other play sets, I felt like there was just too many different colors. But here, I'm mainly seeing pink, white, and turquoise with little touches of gold. Now, some of the accessories do come in a variety of colors. But in this bathroom playset, I feel like the main pieces are sticking to a general color palette. On the back of the box, we see an illustration that looks kind of like the Barbie Malibu house. But it looks like the playsets are being used as the furniture and accessories. Does this mean we will see the Malibu house again, only this time we'll be able to decorate it with the playsets? I do like the idea of an open floor plan where we can decide where things go. But until then, I can use my wall boxes for storage and setup. I just have to make sure my walls are at least the same width and length as the packaging. Let's take a piece of foam board. I bought this at Target for $3.49. It measures 20 by 28 inches, so I did a little math to see how I need to cut up my foam board, and it looks like I can get a 13 by 14 inch box out of one piece of foam board, and it should be enough. To cut my foam board, I'm using a sharp X-Acto knife, an acrylic ruler, and a cutting mat. We can use our measurements to plan out where to cut on the foam board. Then you find out it's not actually 28 inches, it's a little short. So we will have to patch that later. To cut the foam board, I place my acrylic ruler next to the line drawn, press down firmly so nothing moves, then I use my X-Acto knife and do a cut right along the ruler. At first I'm kind of just scoring it, making a path. Then I go back and cut, pressing down firmly, going all the way through the foam board to get a clean cut. If I keep shredding my foam board, that means I need to change the blade or sharpen it. I cut a small piece to add onto that shorter end. I'm using hot glue to attach it. Then let's go ahead and assemble our box. Cover it with paper. I'm using a white brick to make a box that we can use as a background and to store accessories. We can make more boxes and cut strips of foam board, add a little paint to the top of the box, glue on the strips, and make little squares to make a wall inspired by the packaging. On the back of the box, we can add a poster or scrapbook paper or a picture from a calendar to make an outside scene. By covering the front and back differently, each box can give us two different walls. Here we can pretend this wood wall is a fence, then flip the boxes around to make a room inside the house. Combine them with other wall boxes like our picture window to make an ever-changing dollhouse with storage that is easy to store. Now let's take a look at Barbie World. This is the Bubble Bath Time playset. It was about $25 and I found it at Walmart. On the back of the box, there is an illustration of Barbie World where we can see many of the playsets. At the top, it says, "Welcome to your Barbie World. Build your best Barbie life." And there's a QR code at the bottom. Ooh, cute little robe. I wonder if we're gonna get that. Let's remove the playset from the packaging, which has a Barbie rug that I would love. And what about this little white cabinet for towels? Honestly, half the time, I wish we could get the stuff that was printed on the packaging. In this playset, we get a pink bathroom cabinet with a white door that can open, and there is shelving inside. There's a picture of shelves on the side. Behind it, it is open in the back. The cabinet has a wood grain print, a small towel rack on the side. We get a white sink with a gold-colored faucet and a mirror framed with turquoise. This is a design we've seen before, and it's one of my favorite Barbie bathroom vanities with the sink. We showed it in this video, where we embraced Barbie playsets and made a colorful Barbie apartment. Here is the other vanity, where the mirror is framed in pink, the faucet is silver, and the cabinet is brown. Because it has this wood grain, I still kind of like the brown. But let's put everything together first and see it all set up. We have a pink tub with a gold faucet. We've seen this design before with one of the self-care Barbies. There's a white toilet with a pink lid that can open. There's a small, colorful hand towel, a tiny washcloth that has the same pattern as the robe. There's a pink soap dish, green soap, a container of wipes with one that can come out. We can place that on top of the toilet. We have bathroom products, brushes, and a blow dryer. Looks like a little bathing sponge, a pink whale cup, purple toothbrush, turquoise toothpaste, and a pink eye mask that we can use to set up this space and store the other items in the cabinet when not in use. Oh yeah, and there's a foot spa. If you are embracing Barbiecore, this could totally work. Up next is game night. This Barbie World playset was also about $25. Some assembly is required. We get a foosball table. It's kind of a salmon color. The sides are a wood color, and they have a sculpted wood grain. The little foosball people are pink and turquoise. This is a design we have seen before, as well as this shelf. I think it came with a bathtub. It's wood grain. I like it. We get a small TV stand. It's white with a sticker on the front and a TV. There are 3 foosballs for the foosball table, a plant and a cat planter, a sleeping cat on a plastic beanbag. We got the same beanbag design in the Barbie Big City Big Dreams dorm room playset, only that one was lavender. Oh, and we got a plastic pillow, which also came in the Big City Big Dreams dorm room playset. The pillow is also kind of a salmon-y color. We have a small green table, a pink bowl of popcorn, a bag of pretzels, a board game, 2 drinks, a remote for the TV, and a dog. If you're a Barbie collector, you could probably piece together most of these items with stuff you already have. Out of this playset, I really like the bookshelf and the pink beanbag. I also like getting Barbie plants, and I'm always fond of this sleeping kitten. However, I would totally replace that dog with a Barbie Pets. Well, now we can replace you too with a Barbie Pets sleeping cat. Priced around $10, here is the Sparkle and Clean Barbie World playset, which is a dishwasher with a counter. It has a brown countertop, a silver faucet, and a silver sink. The back and sides are silver as well. There's a small brown shelf on the side with a wood grain print. We get a large dishwasher with a pink door. There is a pink handle, and we pull it to open. We can put the included turquoise dish rack inside and close the door. There's a small kitchen towel with fruit on it. We get 2 heart pink plates. There is nothing on it. They're just solid colored plates. Thank you. We get silver colored forks and knives, dishwasher detergent with a printed graphic on the front, and 2 cups in different colors. We can load the dish rack with all the little accessories, including the different colored cups. I mean, if they're going to be different colors, I would have loved if this one was pink. But I do find it pretty neat that everything can go inside. This is also a design we've seen before, so you might already have something similar. And I would love to see more kitchen cabinets so we can put a whole kitchen together. Priced around $10, here is the Barbie World Backyard Cookout playset. It's a pink grill with silver painted knobs. The back is open. There's a brown side table. The top can open, and there is food on the grill. There is a second side counter that can be attached. There is a turquoise oven mitt, a turquoise plate with a sculpted hot dog, ketchup, a green drink, a yellow spatula, and gray tongs for those outside scenes. Like this one, where we can add the Relax and Unwind playset. This was also about $10. We get 2 matching chairs, 2 small towels or blankets, and 2 cups of hot cocoa. If we need more seating, we can add the Hammock Life playset. Assembly is required. Just like the chairs from the last playset, this is an oldie but goodie in a different color. I want to say the wood on the other hammock is brown, but I could be wrong. This hammock comes with a striped pattern, a brown guitar with a clear shoulder strap. Oh, I like the little flower design. There's a plastic book, yellow drink, ink visor, and a dog. And the hammock is long enough to allow a classic Barbie to lay stretched out. Big thanks to Mahogany Queen _T for helping me find the hammock. I had to buy it online from Walmart. Overall, I am an adult doll collector who loves Barbie playsets, even though I can be somewhat critical. But there are a lot of designs that I love, like these chairs, and I like seeing them in different colors. So am I excited about Barbie World? Yes! I'm liking where the color palette is hanging out, and I hope to see more bedroom, living room, and kitchen stuff. Oh, and a new shower would be nice. Thank you for joining us for this Walmart haul featuring Barbie World playsets. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.